In this video, you will learn how to use Creati AI photo generator. Download the app. Go to the Apple App Store on iOS or search for the APK online if you're using Android. Install the app on your device. Set up your AI profile. Open the app and upload 6 to 10 clear photos of yourself. These images help AI to understand your face and even your style. Choose a style or template. Browse through the various photo styles, professional, headshot, artistic look or fun social media options. Select the one that you like the best. Upload a photo or take one. Pick a new photo from your gallery or take one directly using your app. You can also tweak elements such as your background, clothing or facial features. Generate your AI photo. Tap Generate to start your AI transformation. The app will perceive the image base and on your input and the AI profile. Save or share your images. Preview your final result. Save it to your phone and share it instantly on the platforms such as Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram. Now you know how to use Creati AI photo generator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.